Using book chapters to craft your solutions. So on Amazon.com, we can search for dummies and then filter them just to show it only for books. And there's 39,075 books at the time I did this search. And one of those books, when I was scrolling on the results, is Personal Finance for Dummy. And then if we actually click on look inside Personal Finance for Dummy, we get these incredible in-depth chapters. The first thing they do is they break it down into parts, by the way. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and whatever. And then each part is broken down into chapters. And then each chapter is broken down with some very, very, very specific subpoints. So measuring your financial health. Avoid common money mistakes. Determine your financial net worth. And then underneath that, adding up your financial assets, adding up your financial liabilities, crunching your numbers, interpreting your net worth results, examining your credit scores and reports. This is exciting. This gets very exciting to me because there's patterns that you'll notice over time. So even if you're not in this specific topic, notice avoid common mistakes, determine blank, examine blank, know the difference between blank, analyze your blank, evaluate your blank, and assess your blank. That's a whole outline that you can model yourself after. But even within a chapter, we can get down very specifically. Knowing the difference between bad debt and good debt. Is there an angle there? Is there a problem there? How to use debt to get out of debt. Maybe that's a solution. Maybe that's one problem, one solution kind of focus. Consuming your way to bad debt. Recognizing bad debt overload, assessing good debt. Can you get too much, right? So there's all kinds of things here, even down to the individual subpoint of a subpoint that might leap out to us as a solution that we can focus on presenting to the customer.